Hello students, today we are going to study lipoproteins. What is a lipoproteins? Lipoprotein, it is a type of conjugated or compound lipids. It is not a types of proteins, it is a type of lipid. Lipoproteins are lipid and protein containing molecular complex, that is conjugated proteins. In the blood plasma, they act as lipid transporter. Lipoproteins transport the lipid components, cholesterol, triacylglycerol, etc. to the various organs for to use. Lipoproteins are लिपिड अँड प्रोटीन कंटेनिंग मॉलिक्युलर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. लिपिड पण असणार आणि प्रोटीन पण असणार याच्यामध्ये. लिपिड अँड प्रोटीन कंटेनिंग मॉलिक्युलर कॉम्प्लेक्स दॅट इज conjugated proteins. Lipoproteins are complex lipid with a single amphipathic phospholipid. Why the phospholipids are called as amphipathic? Because it is containing phospho group and lipid. Lipid it is a hydrophobic and phospho group it is a hydrophilic. So it is called as amphipathic. Amphipathic. Hydrophobic with hydrophilic, and this is a phospholipid and cholesterol molecule on their surface, as well as cholesterol, ester and triacylglycerol. If you will observe the structure, lipoproteins are complex lipids with a single amphipathic phospholipids and cholesterol molecule on their surface, as well as cholesterol, ester and triacylglycerol. These biomolecules are made up of proteins and lipid molecules that allow the fats to pass through the water molecule both inside and outside the cell. If you observe the structure of these lipoprotein, the neutral lipid core containing triacylglycerol and cholesterol ester and surrounded by coat shell of phospholipids, apoproteins and cholesterol make up the lipoprotein. Lipoproteins are soluble in aqueous solution because the polar part is amphiphilic of phospholipids and cholesterol are exposed on their surface. If you observe the structure, it consisting of triglyceride, protein, phospholipid, free cholesterol, cholesterol bound to fatty acids. Next is a type of lipoproteins. It is having mainly 5 types. Chylomicrons, very low density lipoproteins, low density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein, free fatty acids. Chylomicrons, these lipoproteins are exogenous triacylglycerol transporter, are synthesized in the intestine, having a highest lipid content 99%. Very low density lipoproteins, it is also called as VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, VLDL. These lipoproteins are produced in the liver and intestine, transport endogenously synthesized triacylglycerols. Low density lipoproteins, these lipoproteins are produced in the blood stream and from VLDL and transport the cholesterol from the liver to the rest of the body. See properly. First, chylomicrons are synthesized in intestine. Very low density lipoproteins, these are synthesized in very low density lipoprotein produced in liver and intestine, and low density lipoproteins produced in blood stream from the VLDL. There is difference and its function is also different. Chylomicrons are having exogenous triglycerol transportation, VLDL, it is having a function, it transports the endogenous triglycerol. Endogenously synthesized triglycerol, it is transported by VLDL. Low density lipoproteins produced in the bloodstreams which transport cholesterol. It not a transport triacylglycerol, it transport cholesterol from the liver to rest of the body. High density lipoprotein, which is also called as HDL. These lipoproteins are produced in the liver and transport the cholesterol from the peripheral tissue to the liver. HDL is called as good cholesterol. High density lipoprotein, it is also called as good cholesterol. And fifth one is free fatty acids. In the circulation, free fatty acids are attached to albumins Albumin may hold roughly 20 to 30 molecules of free fatty acids per molecule. Next is the functions of these lipoproteins. Lipoproteins mainly function lipid absorption and transport in small intestine, lipid transportation from the liver to tissue, reverse cholesterol transport or transport to lipids from the tissue to the liver. Today we studied about lipoprotein, its structure, its various types and its function. Okay, thank you.